experts issue terrifying warning about Yellowstone Supervolcano. Folks are growing increasingly concerned by the enormous number of earthquakes happening around the supervolcano that lies below Yellowstone National Park. Since June 12, more than 400 earthquakes have struck the area. This is the highest number of earthquakes at Yellowstone within a single week in the past 5 years, scientists told Fox News. The obvious concern is that these tremors could cause the volcano to erupt, with catastrophic consequences. But those same scientists noted that earthquake swarms like this occur at Yellowstone every few years. In fact, that's how the Earth releases pressure, thus putting off a major volcanic eruption. It's when we go more than a few years without such minor earthquakes that experts will really start to worry, cause that means the pressure is remaining trapped and building up. And that, they warned, is absolutely something that could happen in our lifetime. While the probability of a supervolcano eruption at Yellowstone is 1 in 730,000, it must be remembered that that's just a prediction. The volcano will almost certainly erupt again at some point, and when it does, the devastation will be beyond comprehension.
Yellowstone Supervolcano is hit by a record-breaking mega swarm of 1,200 earthquakes in just 1 month. Since the swarm began June 12, there have been a total of 1,284 earthquakes. They've continued to monitor its activity. The largest so far was magnitude 4.4. Still, the experts say the risk of an eruption remains low, with alert level at normal. Yellowstone Park, hit by 1,200 quakes in the span of only 1 month, seismologists say. In the most recent update on these earthquake storms, scientists have been monitoring since June 12. The researchers say there have been 1,284 events so far, the largest with magnitude 4.4. As the activity spurred fears that the supervolcano could be gearing up for an eruption, the experts say the risk of such an event is low, and the alert level remains at normal. As the swarm continues, they will continue to monitor its activity and provide updates as seen fit. For now, though, experts have left an alert level in the green zone, meaning activity is still considered normal. If it were to erupt, the Yellowstone supervolcano would be one of 1,000 times as powerful as the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption, although experts say the risk is low of that happening. Yellowstone hasn't erupted for 70,000 years, so it's going to take some impressive earthquake and ground uplifting to get these things started. This is what the U.S. Geological Survey explains. Well, ground uplifting has been taking place. My last video on Yellowstone did specify that. Besides intense earthquake swarms, with many earthquakes above 4 or 5 magnitude, we expect rapid and notable uplift around the caldera, possibly tens of inches per year. Finally, the rising magma will cause explosions from the boiling temperature geothermal reservoirs. Even with explosions, earthquakes, notable ground uplift, the most likely volcanic eruptions would be the type that would have minimal effect outside the park itself. However, if it were to blow, that would be a terrible situation. The swarm has steadily persisted over the last few weeks. In an update last month, experts revealed the swarm had reached nearly 900 quakes by June 28th, and when the earthquake started on June 12th, USGS said it was the highest number of earthquakes at the park within a single week in the past 5 years. I leave links below for you for this. You can read more on the USGS Volcano Hazards Program for Yellowstone. This is on Daily Mail UK.
Right, load of right, soon coming down the road. Here they come. Never been like this before. Are they going to carry on coming or are they going to veer off? Stopped. Blimey, look how many there is. Took my arms in. Wild bison in Yellowstone. Heading out towards the eastern entrance over the Bear Creek Highway. May up, look, baby one.